When your Toto Washlet remote stops responding, don't panic. Most issues have simple solutions that you can fix yourself in just a few minutes. The number one cause of remote failure is dead batteries. This accounts for over 80% of all remote issues. Replace both batteries with new ones of the same brand. Make sure to install them with correct polarity, positive and negative ends in the right direction. Next, check the sensors. The washlet has sensors that detect when you're using it, and these can get blocked by dust, water droplets, or other debris. Make sure nothing is covering the seat or lid. Even toilet seat covers can interfere with the sensors and prevent the remote from working properly. Finally, verify the basics. Make sure your washlet is properly plugged into a working electrical outlet and that the water supply valve is fully open. Low water pressure can prevent the bidet functions from working, even if the remote appears to respond. Check that your home's water pressure is adequate. If these basic steps don't solve the problem, the issue may require pairing the remote or performing a system reset. These advanced troubleshooting steps will be covered next. If basic troubleshooting like replacing batteries and cleaning sensors doesn't resolve the issue, the next step is repairing your remote with the washlet unit. For the Toto S500E model, the pairing process involves 3 specific steps. First, unplug the washlet unit for exactly 15 seconds. Next, plug the washlet back in and wait for it to initialize completely. Finally, hold the power button on your remote for 5 seconds to complete the pairing process. For other Toto Washlet models, the pairing procedure may differ. Always consult your specific user manual for the correct steps. If pairing doesn't solve the problem, try resetting the washlet unit. The simplest method is to unplug the unit for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Some remote controls have a small reset button that can be pressed with a paper clip. Look for a tiny button on the back or bottom of your remote. If problems persist after trying these steps, consult your user manual for troubleshooting guides and error code explanations specific to your model. As a last resort, contact Toto customer support or consult with a qualified plumber who has experience with washlet installations and repairs.